Good evening, everyone. Masks are essential, but without the proper fit and seal, safety can severely be compromised, especially during a pandemic. I'm sure all of us can agree. Research has shown that even the smallest gaps in mask fit and seal can compromise the barrier protection and reduce filtration efficiency. TrueFit presents an inexpensive mask fitting and sealing solution with the potential to significantly reduce exposure to infectious aerosols and hazardous materials. I'm Pranav Ramaswamy, a freshman at Westwood Academy.
I'm Siddhant Iyer, master's student in plastics engineering.
Justin Marcoulier, business student, UMass Lowell.
And we're code-wise and mentored by Dr. Dimitra Bello.
There's a missing link in the accurate and real-time detection of an optimal fit of masks, potentially exposing the user. This is a crucial unmet need for all forms of respiratory protection devices, because masks are the first line of defense against the spread of airborne infectious diseases, carcinogens, and other hazardous wastes. Lack of proper fit masks significantly reduces the protection against these harmful particles. Current methods of testing for mask fitness are cumbersome. They require time, special equipment, and even lab use.
So amidst the recent COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a heightened awareness of the importance of masks for protection against airborne contamination. However, the crux of our technology for the detection of optimal fit and seal is targeted towards high-risk industries like construction and manufacturing beyond the pandemic. The global volume for face mask production is expected to reach a staggering volume of 65 billion units by the end of 2021, owing to the rising prevalence of several respiratory diseases across the globe. In the overall market for respirators, industries such as construction, manufacturing, healthcare, and currently even educational settings are the leading sectors in terms of volume of units utilized. In these settings, students and employees within crowded environments share a common dilemma, rendering them potentially susceptible to hazardous exposure if proper PPE is not utilized. During COVID-19, they would face a risk of having at least a 2-week mandatory shutdown, even if a single individual was infected. However, beyond COVID-19, the implications are far more consequential in high-risk industries where failure to obtain a proper seal could lead to life-threatening consequences. Currently, there are no other face masks in the market that offer a visual indication for ensuring an optimal fit and seal. However, there are strapless alternatives that provide an adhesive sealing mechanism, but do not provide an indication of seal, like the strapless N95 offered by Avery Dennison. TrueFit is revolutionary in the way it combines the aspect of a readjustable seal and an accurate and visual indication of seal breakthrough. It is non-cumbersome, accurate, does not involve expensive instrumentation, and is suitable for real-time detection under all environments. Additionally, some major impact from the implementation of our technology could include minimizing the airborne transmission of highly infectious particles, minimizing disease and hazardous materials transmission by at least 35%, and cost and time benefits, yielding minimal probability of workplace shutdown. TrueFit offers a versatile solution in the form of a thermochromic mounting system that can be integrated with commercially available respirators to provide a more secure and conformal seal, as shown in the figure. Consequently, users can visualize seal breakthrough and leaks in real time via temperature-sensitive colorimetric indicators. This allows for the real-time detection of fit in respirators in high-risk environments. So our technology, as you can see here, uses temperature-sensitive color-changing dyes that exhibit a change in color at temperatures approaching the body temperature. During application, the indication of an airtight seal is verified by the instantaneous color change in the temperature of these thermochromic dyes in contact with the user's face. The thermochromic dye maintains its original black color in the absence of conformal contact, which indicates device leakage. Our device qualifies sealability on a scale of poor to good, such that a user facing a mirror or another coworker can rapidly flag a poor seal, promptly triggering the adjustment of the respirator. So intellectual property for the proposed technology will be owned by TrueFit. TrueFit has conducted an extensive prior art search and is in the process of filing a series of provisional patents. TrueFit is also in the process of conducting quantitative fit testing using an in-house port-account 8038 fit tester through an unbiased case study. In the near future, TrueFit pledges for $7,500 in funding from Difference Maker to cover expenses related to materials, equipment rental, and IP associated costs for successful commercialization of its product. We thank the judges for listening to our pitch and open the stage for any questions.